Hi friends, this is the rate I old monk and today I am with the Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi 5. So here you can see both of the smartphone having the same design, same look and finish, and here you can see the few things have been changes what I will talk about later in my video. And here you can see the Redmi 5 Plus is a bigger smartphone, Redmi 5 is a little bit smaller smartphone. The screen size of Redmi 5 Plus is 6 inch whereas Redmi 5 is 5.7 inch. The Redmi 5 Plus is 180 gram whereas the Redmi 5 is coming for 157 gram. As far as the display is concerned, both are coming with the 18:9 display. Here you can check it out. And the screen resolution of Redmi 5 Plus is Quad HD, whereas this one is the Full HD display. Both are running in Android Nougat and running on MIUI 9. As far as the storage variant is concerned, the basic variant for Redmi 5 Plus will be 32 GB and the extended version will be 64 GB. Whereas for the Redmi 5 Plus, it will be coming for 32 GB and 16 GB. Here you can see there is a 3 GB of RAM. Redmi 5 is written and both are running on Nougat. As you can see here also you can check it out. Both are 3 GB RAM variant currently. And as far as the RAM is concerned, there will be a 4 GB and 3 GB RAM variant coming up with both the smartphones, and you can here toe to toe and do check out the comparison. Both are running with Android 9.0, which is great. Here you can see the storage is concerned, both are 32 GB, both are 3 GB RAM, identical. The devices look same. As far as the processor is concerned, it comes with the octa-core processor, so both are in the octa-core processor, but the Redmi 5 Plus comes with the Snapdragon 625, which is clocked at 2.0 GHz, and whereas the Redmi 5 comes with the octa-core processor 450, which is clocked at 1.8 GHz. As far as the camera is concerned, both comes with the 12 megapixel camera at the back with the f2.2. In the front, both have the 5 megapixel camera, and here you can see the settings are almost same. As far as the camera quality is concerned, I will just show you. There is a little difference in the lighting, but overall the front camera is okay. It is not too great. Coming to the other panorama shot and normal shot, the color saturation is good, the output is coming out good. We still don't know the price of the device. As far as the Redmi 5 Plus is concerned, it is a 4000 milliampere battery, whereas the Redmi 5 is coming with the 3300 milliampere battery. As far as the comparison is concerned, definitely there is a screen size comparison difference, there is a resolution difference, there is also a battery difference, and the weight and the processor. These are the major difference. Here you can see as the aesthetics are concerned, both have the fingerprint sensor at the back, the volume rocker and the power key on the side buttons. The camera is having a little bump. In the bottom you can see micro USB charging cable. On the top you are getting the IR blaster with the 3.5mm jack. So that is the best part. As far as the display is concerned, both looks quite similar. I didn't find any difference between both the devices, and both have some features like you can book the Ola directly from here. These are the features which will be coming in the OS MIUI 9. As far as the color is concerned, it will be coming, both the devices will be coming in the blue color, light blue color, gold color, black color and the rose gold color. I don't think blue color will come, but not sure. Both will be coming very soon in India. The interesting point of Xiaomi is the price point, what price point they bring it on, and this will be definitely exclusive to online market for sure in the starting, and maybe going with the Flipkart. So these all are the buzz. We still don't know, but first impression of the device, the price point will be the key factor for both the devices, as Honor 9 Lite and many other smartphones have already been there in the market with a budget killer smartphone. The interesting fact is that we haven't seen the Xiaomi coming with a dual camera, which we might see very soon in the near future. But this is all about the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi 5, and both the devices are from China. They are not the Indian variant, so don't get confused. We have got that from China. So this is all about the Redmi 5 Plus and Redmi 5. This is at the rate I old monk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.